UK holiday pay is eligible for overtime work. In the UK, holiday pay is eligible for overtime work if the overtime is regular or form part of a worker's normal earnings. The principle behind this is that workers should not be financially disadvantaged when taking holiday. Therefore, holiday pay must reflect workers' usual earning, including overtime, under certain conditions. Number 1. Mandatory or regular overtime. If a worker is required to do overtime as part of their contract, this is mandatory or regular overtime. Even it is non-guaranteed, this overtime must be included in the calculation of holiday pay. The worker should receive holiday pay that reflect their normal earnings, ensuring their holiday pay include the overtime they would typically earn. Number 2, voluntary overtime. For voluntary overtime, if the worker regularly performed it and it become part of their normal working pattern, then it must also be included in holiday pay calculation. If the voluntary overtime is occasional or irregular, it is generally does not need to be included in holiday pay unless it become a consistent part of their earning. Holiday pay is based on the worker's average earning over the previous 52 weeks, ensuring a fair reflection of their normal wages, including overtime, bonus, and commission where applicable. We have uploaded more than 900 video in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK startup, business and tax.